your shoulders work? I mean, I don't know what y'all came here to do, but
What the fuck though? Where the love go? 5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go. Wow, get the fuck though. I don't block.
Oh my God, it's early. Noir gang, good morning or good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. We're on the way to Adam LZ's open house. I put a Facebook poll on Facebook. See, that's how tired I am. I put an Instagram poll that if you guys wanted me to go, I'll definitely go. Here I am, 5:30 in the morning, getting ready to dip out with my fiance. I guess let's just do a 5 a.m. cold start. Never done one before. Had to do it for the boys.
Riding in the motherfucking road. Niggas talking down,
It was a fun drive, but yo, look at how packed it is just to get in because the doors haven't opened yet. It's super early, bro. Damn.
Yeah, super hyped. I took the Red Bull and now I'm like, ew.
Oh my God. What car are you excited to see?
TJ's car, of course.
Honestly, I just want to get inside already because we came early, but it's a good thing though because you know it's pretty freaking packed. So what are you doing?
I'll show you my lipstick.
Oh my God, I want to show you guys so many of these clean builds, bro. They're so sick.
Gripping when I whip it. 2 cups on your way that I sip it. I'm with the shits, yeah, I'm with it. I'm the man, my nigga just admit it. Hey, turn me up, yeah, we really about to get it. Thinking that we equal, forget it. You tryna do it, I did it. Putting hoes over dough, I don't get it. You really must be kidding. I don't say these hoes, I done told you I'm a villain. Feeling myself, that's how I'm feeling. Boy, fresh to death, I'm about to make a killing. Oh, flow so pro. Eyes on me when I walk to the door. Oh, flow so pro. Eyes on me when I walk to the door. Oh, yeah, the boy so elite. Messing with a freak, but I keep it low key. Let my biz to discreet, I don't lie through my teeth. If you wanna play games, well, I only play for keeps. I'ma stand to God, think you better have a seat. Pete, you ain't never met a hell nigga like me. White girlfriend like me. Real niggas with a tight beat. I buy my checks like all I wear is Nike. Me sweating her isn't likely. If she in the ride giving top with her lips locked, bitch, she might be. And I gripping when I whip it. 2 cups on your way that I sip it.
Oh, look who it is, TJ Hunt. I gotta ask this on camera. I gotta ask, all right? Who's taller, my fiance or Calvin?
Calvin by like a hair.
A hair?
Like, not by much.
But they're both still pocket people, though.
A close second. A close second.
I'm asking you too, bro.
What's up?
Who's taller, you or my fiance?
Oh, shit.
Who's taller?
Your fiance. I'm glad I'm taller than somebody.
Somebody.
Everybody so far has been like, dude, you're shorter in person. Yeah, I know.
Mexican food for Floridian Mexican food.
I guess so. Not my first choice, but.
Yo, who's man's, bro?
Not mine, dude.
Look, Dustin's a good guy.
I'm staying here.
Hey, Dustin's a good guy.
They're gonna get denied.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
right?
have my spot.
What jerks, bro?
I'm just a nice guy.
Stupid clean, bro. Damn, this is TJ's RX-7. So much nicer in person. Look at this. Oh my God. Jeez, bro. Damn, dude. Damn, dude, look at the angle. Dude, look at that angle, bro. Holy crap. The R34, crazy sick. Honestly, Noir gang, it's pretty overwhelming, man. Like, there's so many sick cars that, like, I don't even know where to start. Like, I mean, I want to make a montage, but I feel like it would be an hour long. So I'm gonna check out the BC Racing side, see what they have, and then head back over to PSI. I'm not even gonna bother with Adams right now because the line is ridiculous. The amount of clean cars is just, it's bananas, bro. I've seen a slammed Beetle. This looks sick. Damn. God damn, bro, that's nuts. Holy crap. Jeez, holy shit. In the midst of all that, I lost my fiance. I don't even know where she's at. She's too little.
Dude, this engine costs way too much to risk. It's not worth it to just rev it in a parking spot.
I lost you. You're so small. Holy crap, man.
Hey, Alberto, can you chill with the two-step just for a little bit so I can talk?
This is like your first time at like a two-step battle, right?
Yeah.
How do you feel about it?
It's pretty cool. My head hurts.
I know. Bro, find my fiance and I lost her. It's like in the crowd within 5 minutes, I turned, not even 5 minutes, it was like 30 seconds. I turn around and little one's missing. I'm like, where the hell did she go? But whatever. So I don't know. I don't even know what's left, to be honest. I know they're doing that raffle, but I think I might head out. I'm not sure. Just depends what's around. But Norgang, man, this was tight. I thank you guys for pushing me to come here. Thank you for the little lady for coming. This is tight. But coming back to my car after looking at all these clean ones, it's just kind of sad, but whatever. Kind of inspired too, so. Bro, look how packed, like, not even, oh, like, this doesn't even do it justice. Hold on, let me get around the corner. And people are still pouring in, bro. This meat was totally worth it. Like, babe, show them the video, show them the video. I mean, no, show the picture, my bad. Look, I wish my girl looked at me like how she looks at TJ Hunt. Thanks, babe. It was pretty tight that Adam threw this event. It's a really, really good cause. I don't know if I already said it in the video, but I just wanted to point it out. Not only was the meat sick, but it was actually beneficial. So it's really tight that people, you know, when people create something for themselves and they like to give back, I think it's really awesome. So, well, while my fiance is too busy staring at pictures of TJ Hunt and her, and then she's shopping for this. All right, Norgang, but for real, if you guys like the video, just make sure you like and subscribe. It was pretty tight. Only because of you guys I came out here, but obviously I wanted to go anyway, but you guys really, and Marisol, I mean,
I came too.
And so, well, I'm not, well, duh, of course you came with me, but I'm saying, like, but they inspired me to come. You didn't inspire me to get over here.
I was like, let's go, TJ's going.
That, what? Bruh, yo, you got a crush, right? Should I be worried or something? Yo, TJ, I'm coming for you, bro. It was sick. I really appreciate all the love I got, and like I think 90% of people voted for me to come here, and it was like 100 votes. Like, that was nuts. So thank you guys. And Adam, thank you for actually being pretty chill. Dustin, Randy, like actually everybody was super tight, like, and really cool to talk to. Big Boost, everybody, Showman. You know, it was tight. And oh, and Matt, I talked to Matt a little bit. He gave me a little bit of insight about his car. I should have probably filmed it more, but whatever. So see you guys. By the way, we hit 200 subs. Thank you guys. Super sick. I've been stuck at 198 subs for like 2 days. So like I was like, come on, when is it gonna happen? When is it gonna happen? It happened at the meet. So thank you. I don't know who the hell subbed to me at the meet, but you're the bomb. All right, Norgang. See you guys next video.
Why?
Monica, I'm so proud of you. You do so well. Yeah, cool down, cool down. You deserve it.